Skinnavik is in the house. Skinnavik is in the house. Getting ready for the very first pass. Oh, today. 14 pass, FCC 2026. Lansert da i 1964. Da var det egentlig tegning nummer. Tegning nummer 104. Det tallet hadde Oslo patentert, så det kunne ikke Porsche bruke. Og derfor så fikk modellen nummer 911. Så til høyre. Cash Days Grand Finale. Here at SCC 2026. Are you ready, guys? On the right-hand side of the tribune, are you ready? And on the left-hand side, are you ready for the finale? Hallelujah! Hallelujah! It's Norway in the right-hand lane. It's Sweden. It's Jens Petter. It's Morten. It's old 56 Oslo in the middle against the 1973 1303. The Skinnavik has won this title 3 years in a row. Can he do it for the fourth time? Can Morten Lindqvist cycle out on the start? Good luck. Super final, SCC Cash Days 2026. They have to go further, but they don't want to be first.
bak der, og så rett ut dit. Jeg har snakket med det. Hi, straight in. Great. Fantastic. Look at this car. When you look at the Calluc book and the Calluc papers, it's the prototype. It's a beautiful, clean, nice with the BRMs. Congratulations, Sam. There's a big award trophy, and from Acquires Norway, a package for that. It's a project executed with extreme attention to detail. It's a father and son project. It's been long in the making, and making its first debut right here at SCC. See, 3 cars. There you go. Wonderful. Look at this beautiful car. Fuchs wheels, original gauges, original Porsche. Huh? So if the junior come out and get your prize. Is it the junior, you? Yeah? Vær så god. The award, and from Acquires Norway sponsorship. Congratulations. Congratulations. Wonderful. Nice car. From Finland, with this beautiful. This attention to detail on this car is just amazing. You can spend hours looking at it. It's something that we have not seen before. It's not a Callucer. It's not a race car, anyway. Very, very interesting details. Very, very beautiful car. Very special. If you go through it, it has some modern details, classic details. And here is your trophy, Mikko Muski. 1302 belongs to Øyvind Harjona. Sweet. Very nice. Let's get the awards here for you. David. 53. This car was bought by Even Blomqvist up in northern Norway in 1982. It was a wreck. A daily driver up in a small northern town. It was imported originally from Sweden. Spent its life in Norway. Even bought it in 1982. He kept it in his garage with a whole lot of dreams and ambitions for 40 years almost. In the end, he found Mathias Falke, the man behind Falke Classic Cars, that did a perfect job in restoring this beautiful old Norwegian car, and it's just finished. Congratulations, Mathias. Congratulations again, yeah, fantastic. Matthias, working on a car like that, I mean, you have to put your heart into it. It's not just a job, is it?
No, it's a good thing I'm a nerd myself, because otherwise it's almost impossible. It's such early cars, they have so many small different details, and it's really hard to find everything.
Because there's a lot of, for you to do this job, I mean, a lot of research, finding details, searching for the parts, and of course doing the job as well. How close is the dialogue with Even, the owner, during the project?
It's been a really close dialogue. His knowledge about these early cars are second to none. He's a really good source to go to, and he collected parts for the cars over so many years, so we have loads of NOS parts and yeah, stuff we could use.
We are many that can recognize this, that to have something in your garage that you dream about and never get to finishing, and you are helping these guys to finish the dream. How was the reaction on Evan when he sees the car, when it's finished?
Well, he's been seeing the car during the process also, so, but we did a trip down to Hessisch in Germany, and we won first prize there in the convertible, and yeah, he cried.
He cried. That's plenty. No, you do a fantastic job. I mean, I've seen many of your cars, Matthias, and you are such an important contributor to the Nordic and European scene in Volkswagen. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, and thank you for a really, really nice weekend. Thank you.
Thank you. Matthias Folke. All the way from Germany. This beautiful Type 34 Gia. Very original car. We don't know the name of the owner, but we'll soon find out. Here and around. Oi. Da kan du rygge hit, da. Kan du rygge hit, da. Med en gang. Ja. He's smarter than us, this German. That doesn't say a lot. The Type 1 Gia was introduced in 1955, sits on a Volkswagen Type 1 Beetle pan. When Volkswagen in 1961 introduced the Type 3, wider pan, wider suspension, they introduced also the Type 34 Gia. This very unique Gia, very rare, often very rusty, but this looks like a very original car. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
What is your name?
Christian.
Give a big hand to Christian as he gets his award.
Is he a man or a monster?